Tonight's feature presentation, spaghetti and meatballs, starring the usual suspects.
Today we are going to do spaghetti meatball, and even though we're taking like it's an Italian dish, but in reality this is an Italian North American dish. Wherever in Italy you go, you're asking for spaghetti meatball, they're looking at you like you're from Mars, because they never served meatball with spaghetti anywhere in Italy. Anyhow, this is a very delicious dish. We love it. In North America, we make it. And today I'm going to teach you how to make it in my recipe. And hopefully you're going to use this recipe and share it with your family and friends. Now, I have about 2 cups of breadcrumbs, which I'm going to blend them in a food processor with thyme. You can use oregano if you want, but I'm using thyme. It's a little bit different. I mean, it tastes much better. It's about maybe 2 tablespoons of thyme. I'm gonna mix it here. Seems to be okay now. And then just get this mixture and add 2 pounds of beef, mince. Good. Add about a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of black pepper. Crush some garlic. Basically, need to add to the mixture. I have about 3-4 cloves of garlic. And then I have some Italian parsley to add, and some Parmigiano Reggiano egg, and my secret, which is going to be really caramelized onion. I don't like to add raw onion. I think I had a little bit of the caramelized onion. I add this to the dish and mix them. I'm gonna add the Italian parsley, which is gonna give a very good flavor to this meatball. 1 egg should be good enough, and some Parmigiano Reggiano. This is really good. Okay, now I'm trying to mix this using my hands. That's okay. I washed my hands and it's all good. Smells so good already. I mean, I tell you folks, thyme is really good, and Italian parsley, and obviously garlic, all really smell delicious. Okay, I prepared this and come back again and start doing the meatballs, and then we start with the sauce. So I'm going to use an ice cream scoop and try to just basically make portions, and later on we're going to basically make them into a ball. But right now, just make sure that we portion them. It's very simple, guys, to do this. It's just I have to do this and let it rest until I do the marinara sauce, tomato sauce, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, just as you see, it's like basically roughly to make the shape of a ball, but later on you can make it smaller, you can make it bigger. It depends on your taste, you know. I started to caramelize some onion because I wanted to mix this caramelized onion with my meat, because I didn't want to mix raw onion. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add to this tomato paste, tomato puree, and tomato. So we are starting there, obviously making sauce. I guess that's good enough for now. Just let this cook with the onion. Always try to caramelize your tomato paste, because this is like basically raw, and when you do that, it the flavor, it comes out. And I'm gonna add some garlic here. Now we're gonna add our tomato puree. And give them a mix. It's like a can of tomato. Sure, it has a lot of water, but as I said, we're gonna cook until it becomes less and less water. I'm not gonna cover this because I think if it's no cover on it, then it's gonna, you know, the steam goes faster and we lose the water faster.
Now fresh basil leaves go in. Heat 2 tablespoons of your favorite oil and fry the meatballs until golden.
I think this batch is ready. I'm gonna put them aside and fry the other one, and then transfer them to our tomato sauce. I'm gonna start roasting some garlic for the garlic bread. I'm gonna oven roast this. Okay, since I need to add spaghetti later on to this dish, I changed my pot to a little bit bigger one. I'm gonna add all the meatballs, and I think the meatballs need to cook in the sauce. Give it a toss, so tomato gets all over the meatballs.
Once the water is boiling, drop in 1 pound of spaghetti and let it cook for about 8 minutes, perfectly al dente. Mix the cooked spaghetti with the meatballs until well combined. To finish it off, sprinkle in some Parmigiano Reggiano and fresh chopped basil. Your comfort food is ready. Classic and full of flavor.
Okay, dinner is ready. Spaghetti meatball. Let's look at this, what we did today. And I'm gonna serve some for myself and taste. Oh, smells so good. Yeah, you guys, I wish you guys could smell this through my camera. Look at this. So gorgeous, beautiful. Oh, unbelievable. So good. Also, we have good, nice garlic bread. You have to make that. This is oven roasted garlic bread like I use ciabatta bread. Good. This dish is unbelievable. I have to eat more. Number one, I tell you. So good. I hope you make this dish and share it with your friends and family. Please don't forget to comment and like and subscribe. And I hope to see you when I do another delicious dish. Thank you very much for watching.